Hello, my name is Jason Roth. I'm an attorney with the law firm of Roth Davies in Kansas City. Today I want to talk about how insurance companies go about debunking or devaluing motor vehicle accident claims. First and foremost, the insurance company will claim that their person was not at fault for the subject wreck. They will claim that the person injured was at fault. They will also claim that the wreck was not that significant. Many times, insurance company will take numerous photographs of the vehicles involved and then attempt to use those photographs to say that the wreck was not that severe and a person could not be injured in the wreck. Another strategy by the insurance company is to claim that the injuries are simply not related to the car wreck. Whether it be claiming that the injuries are pre-existing, meaning that you had the injury and you had the complaints before the wreck, or claiming that there simply is no injury at all. What insurance companies do is go through your medical records with a fine-tooth comb and identify any discrepancies or any inconsistencies, or determine whether there's even a single entry of a prior similar complaint. The insurance company will do the same thing with employment records. Go through your employment records to determine whether there are any discrepancies or inconsistencies with a person that is injured, claiming that the injury is from the car wreck. Another common tactic is to watch or keep track of your Facebook or other social media posts for any photos or comments or other suggestions that might lead somebody to believe that you are not in fact injured or not injured to the extent that you claim. If you have any questions regarding a claim arising out of a motor vehicle collision, please don't hesitate to call 913-451-9500. Thank you.